What if there is a way how you can earn completely for free online without the need of having any experience, and next to that, you don't need to have any type of starting capital? Would you take it? Because today you have multiple ways how you can earn money online, but almost every single of them requires to have some basic knowledge or the need of having some starting capital to invest and earn passively because of your investment. But in what I will show you today, you don't need any of these. The only thing you will need is to have any phone that is connected through the internet. If you don't have a phone, don't worry. If you even have just a laptop, so long you are connected to the internet, you can earn on that way. And that is the new way of online earning. So welcome to the new way of online earning, and that called social mining. For anyone that doesn't ever have heard about social mining, stay on this video, because I believe you don't want to miss out on that opportunity. Us people that started last year in only 6 weeks, some of them have even earned up to $28,000 just from their phone without having any experience at all or any investment to start with. And that you can do exactly the same, because today we will talk about the new way of earning money, and that called social mining. And social mining is a way how people, community members, getting rewarded for their effort. And that means if you are an active community member, the only thing you need to have to do is to be active within the chats, and the new tokens from that project will be distributed to the active members from that community. And that means you are earning completely for free cryptocurrencies. And there is one way, of course, that is quite similar, but it's not the same, is of course the mining. And by mining, you will need to have some investment capital to start with, or some knowledge to start mining. But in the new way, you don't need that all. The only thing you need to do is being active. It can be asking questions, it can be helping other people with their questions, because your questions were answered before. Just being active. You don't need to do anything more than just being active on Telegram and on Twitter, and you are earning XPs, and that XPs will be turned into crypto tokens by the end of December of 2022. What means you still have a couple of months left to start earning from home, from anywhere where you want. You could be at the beach, you could be even at your work. Just a couple of text messages means you are earning XPs, and that means you are earning free cryptocurrencies. And the project we are talking about that is offering that first initiative of a new way of earning money called the Vlaunch platform. If you don't have any experience yet, or don't have any idea what the Vlaunch platform is, what the Vlaunch platform offers, and why the Vlaunch platform is one of the most prestigious and the most promising projects for the next Bitcoin bull market to be expected by 2025, make sure to watch my previous video. I will mention it here, and make sure to watch it so you have a complete understanding what Vlaunch has to offer, why Vlaunch is so important, what makes Vlaunch so exclusive, and why I expect that Vlaunch could be the next big deal that you don't want to miss out on. And next to that, what do you have to lose if you can earn VPAD completely for free? And remember, right now, every single token are 4 cents. You are earning 4 cents probably per message or a couple of messages you are sending. And if you are sending a couple of messages per day, how much are you earning? So you have 24 hours per day that you can text. You have also the Twitter, the Telegram channels. You can text as many as you like, you can be active as many as you like, just don't use any type of bots, otherwise you will be eliminated and you will not be able to participate further in these free giveaways. The best way for you is to be active on yourself whenever you have time. Just put a couple of text messages in, and that XPs are counted. Every single text message you are putting out in that Telegram group, that means you getting paid. Of course, the payment will happen by the end of December. So the best thing you can do right now, you don't need to have any type of investment. You don't need to have anything at all. Just be active, an active community members. And just remember, last year, the price was at 3 cents before it came into the market. And the moment that tokens came into the hands of the community, the token price skyrocketed to over $2 levels. So just imagine what that could mean for you if you have now texted a lot of messages, being very active, and all these tokens that you accumulated getting skyrocketed in price. And that means you can earn up to several 10,000s of euros if you start today. Thank you so much to watch my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.